Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar from Solo Marketer here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to issue course certificates in System.io. Essentially, what they are, what they look like, why you need them, and how to actually automate the process, which is a relatively new feature. It hasn't been along for too long, but before then you could do manual ones. You can create them in Canva, but now that can be fully automated, although the customization options are fairly limited, but I think it's good enough. So, you'll be the judge. Basically, I'll show you what it looks like and then how to get to it. So just to start it off, this is what the certificate looks like. Essentially, you can replace some of the elements, but pretty plain and simple. But yeah, I'll show you how to get to this and then what we can actually customize. So we are at the courses section. Under assets courses, I just created like just a test course, called it a certification course, whatever you want to call it. Just create a new one, make sure to activate it, obviously. It can be, you can do it towards the end or just do it right away, just so you don't forget it. It's a common mistake. So yeah, once you have the course created, click on it. So obviously you want to create some modules. In order to have, they have to go through an actual course in order for you to issue these certificates. And there's mainly two reasons for you to actually have to attach this certification feature. Let's say somebody goes through the course, you issue a certificate. So the first reason is just to incentivize them, give them like a goal, right? They go through the course, they receive the certificate in their inbox. And the second one is if you have like some sort of a certification course, right? They have to go through it, then they get the certificate that, that's valid for a certain amount of time, whatever it might be, right? So those are kind of, one is to incentivize, the other one is kind of like a proof of like you showing that you're knowledgeable, which I'll show you how to do that as well. We can add in the kind of like the end of module quiz feature as well in that. But for now, yeah, let's just say we have a module with 2 lectures. We can add another module, right? Module 2, and then we can add. Let's minimize my face. Let's say lecture. I don't know, final lecture, right? Let's do that, and I'm going to show you why I did that. Let's click save. Make sure to activate all the lectures. So let's say, we have a course with a few lectures. So in order to actually issue a certificate, the thing you need to do is you need to go to settings. And among all the usual things, your name of the course, description, link, teacher's photo, all that stuff, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and it says certification settings. First thing you want to do is you want to issue a certificate upon completion. That's kind of the obvious one. And then there are 2 images you can add. Those are the customization options. So this one essentially is at the top, the one that's kind of like you're certified, whatever. You can put on your own logo, your whatever, right? You can put it on at the top for the certificate and your signature. It can be an actual signature. It can just be your name in cursive. So I'm just going to quickly add a couple of images. One is from Canva, like the certificate logo, whatever, just get like a PNG format, although this one is not. This one is kind of not the best example, but still. And the signature, you can either draw it somewhere or write it somewhere, take a screenshot, whatever your method is for the signature. But if you want to make it like actually, it looks more credible as well. And if you actually want to personalize it, you can leave this out, but it just looks cooler. If you have like a cool signature, you can add in. So let's add the certificate logo. I think it was, let's just add this one. Let's click select, signature. I just have some images already. Obviously, you need to add them to System.io. So as you select it, you have the option to actually upload it from your computer. But in this case, I have it uploaded already. Let's go click on insert, and that is it. Make sure to save. So I'm going to give myself access to the course, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in real life once the course is completed. And this is what it looks like in real life. This is from the end user's perspective. Once someone has gone through the all 100% of the course, they will have like a section at the bottom, certificate of completion. It looks like this. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the course. Click below to download it. So once you click on it, it immediately gets downloaded to your computer. And also you get an email in your inbox, which I can show you in a second what that looks like as well. And you get an email like this. So pretty simple one, but essentially, it shows up in the course and they also get an email notification. Another thing I wanted to talk about quickly, this is for the overachievers, and also those who like actually have like certification courses as opposed to just having it as like an incentive. You can quiz your people as well. So for each module, if you hover over the three dots over here, for each module, you can quiz people in this module. For now, this one is deactivated. Let's say module 2, final lecture, you want to quiz them at the end of the module, and only then, if they actually succeed with the answering all the questions correctly, then they can actually receive the certification. So let's say, yeah, this is the final lecture, the final module, create a quiz for this module, confirm, add a question, I don't know, final question, save, and then let's add some answers. You just click on this thing. You can do multiple questions, obviously, and then add an answer. I don't know, correct answer, and you have to mark it as a correct answer if it is. Save, and then I don't know, incorrect answer, right? So these are the answers that they can select, like a multiple choice. And then yeah, you can add a bunch of questions, right? 1, 2, 3, 10, whatever the amount of questions. 10 to 15 usually is probably good, depending also on the course content, how much content you have. You can add that and then activate quiz in the end, confirm, and let's go take a look at it in real life. Hopefully it works right away. Let's go take a look. Module 2. Yeah, you can see here. Now we added the quiz. You can add it in every module, but in this case, we just added it in the end. So if we click on quiz, right, there's going to be a bunch of questions and they can select. I think in this case, yeah, they can select a multiple. I don't think there's an option, as far as I know, that they can have the radio buttons where they have to pick one, A, B, C, or D, as opposed to like they can pick A and D and whatever. So that's kind of a downside. But as long as you can specify that here, that, even though the functionality is here, that doesn't mean that they have to select multiple. So, you can always avoid that confusion within the question in brackets. But yeah, that's an additional thing that you can add in for people that they actually have to complete, and then they get the certificate. So that is the super long version. I've had to issue certificates, but now it's just awesome that you can automate it, and it's pretty, short and sweet. It's simple, but yeah, especially the first reason, like to incentivize people, right? They get a certificate in the end. A lot of people like that stuff, and it's just a lot of people will not go through your course. That's just the way it is. This is like a way to just get more people to go through your course, incentivize them. But yeah, that is it for this one. And since you stuck around to the end, there's a little surprise for you, a little free gift, which I didn't announce at the beginning, but since you're here, that's kind of my reward to you. If you check below the video, there's a free sales funnel template plus a video explaining how to set everything together. Basically, it's like a whole sales funnel with actually like there's like a landing page that connects into a one-time offer. There's an upsell page, a welcome email, all that stuff. It's a whole free template, and there's a video that comes with it as well, how to connect it all together. Basically a funnel, a ready funnel template where you can plug in your own, information about your product or for your freebie, whatever you have, just to help you sell more courses, essentially, right? On System.io, courses like hopefully better than this, what I showed. So that is below. Make sure to go check it out, completely free, as my gift to you for sticking around through this long video. But yeah, any questions, make sure to comment below also. And yeah, that is it for this one. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.